Hey writers, I just went over the 5 steps of our CFS for drafting a conclusion. Now it's time for me to model each step, so all 5 steps of our criteria for success. Let's get started. So step 1 was to locate the introduction in the draft. So you locate the introduction in the draft. So the draft will be located in the Google Classroom, and it's called Writing Draft Exit Ticket. This will be located under Monday. So it will be located where, friends? In the Google Classroom under the title Writing Draft Exit Ticket. And this is where you'll find your full draft. And so step 1 was to locate your introduction. So here is my introduction that I found in my draft. Now let's move on to step 2. Step 2 was to reread the introduction, and you needed to ask yourself, who or what are you thankful for? So let me reread my introduction. It says, I'm so thankful for David because he makes me a better person and treats me to dinner. Now I need to ask myself, who or what am I thankful for? I said in my introduction that I'm thankful for David. So that is who I'm thankful for. So now let's move to step 3. Step 3 is to locate your conclusion in your draft. In your draft exit ticket, so in your writing draft exit ticket, if you scroll all the way down at the very bottom, you'll find your conclusion. Because today, friends, we learned that our conclusion is at the very bottom. It's at the very end of our writing. It's the last area of our draft. So I located my conclusion and took a picture to put it here. So this is my conclusion. I located my conclusion in my draft for step 3. Let's look at step 4. Step 4 was to pick a sentence starter for my conclusion. So I have 2 sentence starters to choose from, and I just pick one. I pick how many? I pick 1. So let's see. It says, as you can see, blank. So I need to fill in that blank. Or I can choose, now you know why, blank. You know, friends, I'm leaning more towards 2. Now you know why. And I would fill it in. Now you know why I am thankful for David. So I just chose my sentence starter for my conclusion. I chose number 2. So now it's time to draft. It's time to draft my conclusion using the sentence starter. It's time to draft my conclusion using the sentence starter. And this is step 5. This is step 5. So I am going to add my text box and I'm going to draft. I picked the second sentence starter so you can see the sentence starters here as well. As you can see, blank, now you know why, blank. I chose the second one, and I only needed 1 sentence starter to draft my conclusion. So now I'm going to write, now you know why I am thankful for David. That was who or what I was thankful for. This concludes my model using the 5 steps of our criteria for success. I'll see you soon for our guided practice. Bye, guys.